Hello, welcome to Finix channel. Since Six Network has expanded its network to Ketan blockchain and launched to the new feature on ketan.definix.com, the necessity for user to bridge token from one network to another has been updated on the bridge.6.network. Users are allowed to transfer coins through bridge service. Today, I'm going to give you a quick guide for the usage of Finix Bridge.
Finix currently resides on the Binance Smart Chain. Through Bridge, coins are converted to the chain Ketan in a 1:1 ratio. The ticket, Finix, name and coin logo remain the same. Users can move coins as follows. What you need to know before using Bridge. Minimum amount to Bridge Finix token. Bridge from BSC network to Ketan has no limit and minimum of transfer. Maximum amount to Bridge Finix token. 50,000 Finix for all Finix Bridge activities on every routing. Steps to Bridge Finix token. First of all, you need to make sure that you have the wallet address of each network supporting the token. BSC, MetaMask wallet, Ketan, Crypt wallet, on Kakao application or KaiCast wallet. Lead instruction for setting up MetaMask wallet to use with the BSC network thoroughly by following the guide. Do not lose your private key. Six Network is not responsible for the loss of your access and private key of your own wallet under every circumstance. Step 1. Launch bridge.6.network, then should access your bridge to bridge. Select token to bridge. Select token and network to bridge. Click bridge. Connect to wallet MetaMask. Input final destination address KaiCast. Input amount of Finix token. Fee equal to 0.1% of total amount transferred. Accept terms and conditions, and destination address is correct. Recheck your transaction details and address. Click Approve. Click Bridge. Save the ticket ID for a future status update. When the process has completed, the status will change from on process to success with a green check mark.
Thank you for watching. I will come up with more tips and tricks for you next time. Please click subscribe and you won't let miss the good thing from me. Okay, see you next video. Bye!